the smallest boards in the entire world, I think. Vinny is incredible, dude.
I'm sweating, bro. I'm sweating.
This is the moment Vinny's been waiting for. What is up, you guys? We're here today at Woodward West with Daddy Doug.
Daddy
How do I come back? He's a dad. I'm brother Doug. A substantially aged man.
Brother Doug?
So we're here today with the smallest boards in the entire world, I think, that are actual boards. What we're gonna do here at Woodward is take these boards and play a full park game of skate in this beautiful, beautiful park. And those are some very large ramps that make these tiny little boards look extremely small, and someone, meaning Uzi, is probably gonna get very, very hurt.
I'm exhausted.
There's yours. You guys Rochambeau. Let's go. Doug is first. And Nigel's last. So Doug, you're up first, my friend. Where to first, Doug? Woodward West was nice enough to let us come out for the week, and we are filming so many unbelievable videos. I hope you guys are looking forward to them.
Double set?
Yeah. Whoa! Oh! What? You see that? Vinny, you want to join?
I'm down.
Can Vinny borrow one of your boards? And look at this. We got Vinny Bond in the house. I get so excited to see Vinny, I forget how to walk.
Stop before the bank.
Ref Cruz is counting that. That was good. Okay, I gotta move.
What?
Not this. Well, Nigel, it was nice knowing you, sir.
Why was it nice knowing
Warm
me?
up for the video you're gonna do later on tonight.
Please don't let me be the one to fall.
Oh, you're done. That's S for Uzi and Vinny. See, the good thing about this place is that you can take it on bigger drop-ins too. Bigger and sketchy.
Not me. I'm gonna get wheel bite or something.
Yeah, Dan.
3 shove. Oh wow.
What? Oh, wow. Hey, that has got to be one of my most surprised Uzi landings ever.
I'm going in. I'm about to popsicle myself.
Oh.
That was terrifying, bro.
He confounds us all once again.
Oh!
Oh no!
Why did you do this?
What's the next obstacle to fall on?
So what you guys missed off camera is Vinny coming up to me and saying there's something about this board that feels right. I had a board in my hand and instinctively I was gonna throw it, and then I realized it was yours. I don't think I do that on a regular board. Come on, Dan, send it all, brother. Dude, what is wrong with him? Yeah!
I'm kind of confused on what to do.
You can go anywhere. You can even go over
yeah.
there. Anything, anywhere.
Yeah, let's go over there actually. Should we ride this? Let's ride this first, right here. I'm like hesitating.
Vinny is incredible, dude. I love this guy. You got it, Uzi. He's a vert skater.
We're gonna drop in on this. That was like so scary.
Oh my gosh. I'm not even playing in the game, and that's a no from me. I got a 20 on it right here. First try. Oh! Dang it! I owe Doug a 20 now. That's not fair. He knew he could do it. He just tried to finesse me at $20 and he won.
Even if I lose $20, I'm still a winner. Oh.
Whoa, hey, Dan, you are a vert skater now. Come on. Oh! Oh! Doug, you don't land this, you owe me the 20 back.
No, not now. You owe me $20, buddy.
Yep. Oh! He amazes me. Yeah. Oh my God! Just get in there and you can't stop.
I'm old. This can hurt a lot.
If you don't feel it, don't do it.
Don't do
I'm
it.
not feeling it.
You don't have to, it's all good. Doug has a really bad headache. Whoa! So he's gonna take the letter. So Doug is now officially out. You're a vert skater! Oh no!
My heart is pounding right now. Vinny is on another world right now. That was absolutely terrifying.
I don't know what I did. I might have leaned a little back and it just rolled with it. This bearing is like not spinning with it. Somebody's setting me up. Caveman? Can we caveman?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's caveman into the bank then.
Wow.
Vert skater! Defense!
What is confusing and weird to hit right now? Let's roll off this. Should I try a board slide? No, because I kind of want it to still be my turn. Cause I was,
Board slide. He wants to get Uzi to T
Oh, I see what he's
and
doing.
then take them both out. Wow.
Alright, Dan. Alright, Dan.
Oh, he's got 2 tries?
Oh, shit.
I could probably do this one.
Inside?
Yeah, let's try that. We're gonna go off the side.
I thought he was going up the tall one. Dang, Uzi don't want to get out.
All right, flat ground, shove it. Ah! I missed it.
I gotta show him how to skate these mini boards.
Where are you going? What are you doing?
Right here. Flat ground. Dang! Dang!
That was like the most perfect one I've ever seen, too.
Vinny's at K, Uzi's at A, and Nigel is officially out of the game.
Another one.
On flat ground?
Yeah.
I give you full permission to destroy this man.
With this board, there's no way. I have no clue. Should we try? I'm about to try a board slide. I definitely wanted to try that so bad. Oh my god. I don't understand you, Izzy.
Oh, A to A.
3 shows. Ah! That's hard.
We're playing flat ground. Switch, pop, shove it. Look how close my feet were.
Ramp.
Ah!
We're going back and forth, flat ground.
Oh,
Switch.
Oh no! This is the moment Vinny's been waiting for him to be at T.
So I can
Now
pop.
we can take him out.
Let's go switch rolling on something. I'm trying on this first, see how it feels.
Oh.
We might have to take the drop. Ready, Izzy?
Yo, one more try, Dan.
I'm sweating, bro. I'm sweating.
Oh, you are the winner. Whee! But before we end this video, Nigel, you wanted to try something, right? Air pad?
Huh?
Air pad?
But not hit the air pad, just go down the ramp. Kind of stare.
All right, Dan, predictions on what's going to happen to Nigel.
It's gonna eat it at the bottom.
Leave a comment below on what's going to happen to Nigel when he gets to the bottom. I don't think it's going to be pretty. You ready?
Oh my god!
If you guys were wondering what happens when you take the tiniest boards against the biggest ramps, that right there is what happens. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and I hope this video inspired you guys to learn how to skateboard. So you right there, and you on the couch back there, yeah, you. Get on BrailleSkateboarding.com and learn how to skate. And one day you'll be like Vinny.